Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechSupper channel. Today in this video, we are going to look at how to use commit command of the Docker container to create a custom image. And I will explain why you need to create a custom image using that commit command. So guys, before we start, I will ask everyone to subscribe my channel to get regular updates, and I'm uploading or I am creating videos on a regular basis on the Docker. If you are willing to learn Docker in very detail, then this is the good channel for you. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get regular updates. So before I start, I also have one useful information for you guys. If you are in the Oracle world and you are willing to learn Oracle Visual Builder, which is a low level development tool for web and mobile application. So on that topic, Oracle Visual Builder, I have authored one book, which is published recently by Pack Publisher, and I have authored this book. If you are willing to learn Oracle Visual Builder with very good examples, so this is the good book for you. So if you are willing to buy, you can go to this link https://pact.live/cmwsnr7. That link will take you to the Amazon website from where you can buy that book. Okay, so let's get started. Commit command to create image. For example, you have created a container using that CentOS image, and then you don't know how to create a nginx image, how to add the dependency and other thing. You just only know you can create a container using CentOS image by running a command like docker container run CentOS, which will create a container using that CentOS image. Later, you attach to this CentOS. Later, you go to this container and you do some modification, like you add some server like nginx, apache, httpd, or you add some dependency. And now after that, you want your container to be used by someone else. So what you can do, you can use containers commit command to create a custom image of that container, wherein you have done modification, like you have added nginx server, you have added other dependencies, and then you can create a image out of from this container. And once a image is created, then you can certainly use that image to create another container. So anyone can use that image to create another container from that image, and the container that will be created from that image will have all the dependencies like nginx server, which you have added into the container. You have dependencies which you have added, and anyone can use it, and any number of containers can be spawned. So now let me just go to this Docker host machine, wherein I will show you each and everything. So here I have logged in into my Docker host machine, and quickly let me run a CentOS container. So Docker container run is the command to create and start a new container. Let's say -dit detach interactive terminal, and then -- name to give a name to the container. Let's say CentOS 01, and then image name. The CentOS is the image name. Okay, so it will create and start a container with image CentOS. Okay, let's hit it. If I don't have CentOS image locally, so it is going to the Docker Hub and then downloading and CentOS image and will create a container. So let it be. It will not take more than a minute. So it's 75 MB image, 75.18. It will not take more than a minute. Let it be. And once our image is downloaded, you can again create another container using that same image. It will not download it. It will use the image locally. So here you can see this is the container ID which has been created. Now, if you see container ls-a, so CentOS 01 is the container which has been created successfully. Now let me go to this container. Okay, so container attach, and let me use this ID. You can either use ID or the name. Let me just use name because name is the good one to remember. Fine. Now here you see root, and this is my CentOS host name. Fine. Now I am in the container. Now let's do one thing. Let's install a nginx server here simply, and you can use yum command. It's a standard command, and let's say I want to install the nginx on top of this CentOS container, and simply enter. And once you will do this, no such command. I bet yum install. Okay, failed to set locate. Okay, now it is starting to install the nginx server. So yum install nginx. Let it download the nginx server. It will not take again a minute or so. And here it will ask a few confirmations 2 times. You can say simply why. Yes, the confirmation, and the server will be installed. Let it be 90%, 93, 95, and yes, and one more time, yes. Running transaction. Okay, cool. Now here you see my nginx server has been installed successfully. To verify if it has been installed, you can put nginx-v, which means if you see the version, which means the nginx server has been installed successfully. Right now in the container, I have done a modification, and what modification I have done? I have simply added or installed the nginx server. Let me just come out from this container, control PQ. Fine. Now I am outside the container, means I am on the Docker host machine. Now let me simply run container ls-command to look at my container. Fine. Now my container is this one, and inside this container I have my nginx server. Now let me just create an image from this CentOS server. So for this, let's simply say Docker container commit is the command which you need to use, and then you can use the name, means the container name, and you can say CentOS. You can give the name of image, let's say CentOS custom, and you can give that tag as well, let's say nginx. You can give anything, but I have given nginx. So what it will do, it will create our image with name CentOS custom, and it will give the tag nginx. Okay. Now it will not take more than a minute, and a new image will be created, and that image will have the nginx server too. So there are other ways to create a custom image, like you can create Docker file, but this is one of the simplest way to create the image. Now you can run that Docker image listing, and we'll see. You can see CentOS custom tag nginx. It is created 30 seconds ago, and this is the image ID, and this is the size. Fine. Now let's spawn another container using that image. Okay, let's say Docker container run -dit -name CentOS02, and I will use the name of my email like CentOS -custom, and then nginx. If you will not use this tag, it will try to use the tag latest, and the latest tag is not there. So Docker container run dit-name CentOS02 CentOS custom. Fine. So a container will be created. Fine. Now the container has been created. Now if you run the container ls-a command, it will show you the container CentOS02 has been created successfully. Now you can attach to this container, attach, let's say CentOS02. Now let's verify I have the nginx server here or not. Let's say nginx-p. And here you see the same version is also there. So this is how you can use commit command to create an image from your container. Guys, that's all about this short video. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get regular updates. You can find me over LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and you can also see my blog https://www.techsupper.com, and there you will find a lot of blogs of Docker. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.